Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to a new episode from your beloved channel Linguamid. In this episode we will learn together the days of the week in spoken Egyptian. How to say each day in spoken Egyptian, also how to write it. So let's dive in. Before we dig into the topic of the days of the week in spoken Egyptian, it's very important to know the meaning of the phrase days of the week. Days of the week means أيام الأسبوع. أيام الأسبوع, okay? And أيام is plural of يوم and أسبوع is week. So أيام الأسبوع. أيام الأسبوع. So we can divide it. So we will take the first word, which is يوم, day. Okay, day in English is yom in spoken Egyptian from yawm in Modern Standard Arabic. Okay, so it is yom, yom. So day, yom. When I say, for example, day, a beautiful day or a lovely day is yom gamil, for example. Okay, so day is yom in spoken Egyptian, and the plural of yom is ayyam. Okay, now let's move to the week. The week in spoken Egyptian means أسبوع. 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 And some Egyptians say it إسبوع. Okay, so whether you hear it أسبوع or إسبوع, it doesn't matter. But just know that إسبوع or أسبوع, it means a week. Okay, so if you want to say days of the week, okay, you say أيام الأسبوع. Now let's start the days of the week day by day. We will start with Monday, and Monday is الاثنين. 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 If you know some Arabic or some knowledge in spoken Egyptian before, specifically the numbers, you will know that 2 is اثنين. Okay, اثنين. So 2, Monday comes from 2, which is اثنين. Okay, اثنين. اثنين. Okay, so you say اثنين, which is Monday, from اثنين or 2 in Modern Standard Arabic. اثنين. Okay, so you say اثنين. So the Monday is الاثنين. You add the il article, the alif lam article all the time with days of the week, so it becomes الاثنين. Okay, so يوم الاثنين or الاثنين is Monday. Tuesday is التلات, from تلاتة, from 3 in the numbers. The spoken Egyptian, تلاتة or ثلاثة in Modern Standard Arabic. So ثلاثة or تلاتة, it gives you التلات. التلات. So again with the alif lam, the article, the definite article, il, and you say التلات, you don't pronounce the lam. So it becomes التلات. So التلات or يوم التلات is Tuesday. Say it with me again. التلات. التلات. Wednesday is الأربع, from أربعة or أربعة. Actually in Modern Standard Arabic and also in spoken Egyptian we say أربعة. Okay, so أربعة gives you الأربعة. Okay, الأربعة. So you see تلاتة gives you التلات. Okay, اثنين الاثنين, and then أربعة الأربعة. So Wednesday, the 4th day, because we start with Sunday, which is الحد. We will go to Sunday shortly. Okay, so الأربعة from أربعة is Wednesday. الأربعة. الأربعة. And in Modern Arabic we say الأربعاء, but in spoken Egyptian we just say الأربعة. الأربعة. So يوم الأربعة, Wednesday. don't forget to join my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Okay, this is completely 100% free course, and I give this course as an essential background course in spoken Egyptian, completely free of charge, and you just enroll and get a lifetime access for this course free of charge. You will find the enrollment link in the description box below and also in the first comment of this video. Thursday is الخميس. الخميس. Okay, from خمسة. From خمسة. خمسة in modern standard Arabic and in spoken Egyptian is 5. خمسة. And from خمسة we say الخميس. الخميس. From خمسة. Okay, so we have الحد الاثنين الثلاث الأربع الخميس from خمسة. Okay, so الخميس. الخميس from خمسة. Say it with me. الخميس. الخميس. Friday, it means الجمعة or الجمعة in modern standard Arabic. We say it in Egyptian الجمعة instead. And الجمعة came from the prayer of الجمعة. Okay, the prayer of the group of Muslims, and this is the weekly prayer, weekly group prayer of Muslims. And because of this prayer, the Al-Jum'ah or the Friday is the official holiday of the week. Okay, so it's like Sunday, for example. Okay, in the West. And Al-Jum'ah, Al-Jum'ah, we say it in Egyptian Al-Jum'ah. Okay, Yom Al-Jum'ah. This is Friday. So say it with me. Al-Jum'ah. الجمعة. Then we have السبت. السبت. السبت is Saturday. Okay, Saturday. يوم السبت. يوم السبت. It doesn't come from any number, but it's known as it is السبت. Okay, يوم السبت. That is Saturday. Okay, so say it with me. السبت. السبت. So usually يوم الجمعة ويوم السبت constitutes both of them constitute the weekend in the Arab countries. So mostly the Al-Jum'ah is the official day, and in many occasions Saturday is also a day off, and the weekend is these 2 days instead of Saturday and Sunday, for example, in the Western countries. So usually you have Friday and Saturday mostly free for many jobs. Of course, there are exceptions in some jobs where the Saturday is an official day normally, but generally, or in most cases, you will find also Saturday off. So السبت or السبت. So you say it is sept. We don't pronounce the lam here. So السبت. So الجمعة. Okay, الجمعة or الجمعة and السبت. Saturday السبت. Then Sunday is الحد. الحد from واحد. Okay. الحد. And important to know that الحد in Arab countries is the first working day. Okay, so people work on Sundays normally. So الحد الاثنين الثلاث الأربع الخميس, this is the working week, and then الجمعة والسبت, this is free. Okay, so الحد, and you pronounce the lam. So say it with me. الحد. الحد. So here we covered important information related to the week, which is the vocabulary يوم, which is a day, and then أيام, the plural, and we have week. This is أسبوع. So أيام الأسبوع, days of the week, days of the week. And also we covered all the days of the week, and we will revise them together. So we start with let's start with الحد. So الحد from واحد, this is the first working day. الاثنين or الاثنين directly from two, which is اثنين. التلات from ثلاثة in spoken Egyptian. ثلاثة 3. التلات Tuesday. الأربع Wednesday from أربعة, from أربعة الأربع. And then الخميس Thursday from خمسة, الخميس Thursday, and then الجمعة from الجمعة, which is the day of the prayer of الجماعة, الجمعة or الجمعة, and then السبت, and then السبت, this is the 6th day, and then the 7th day, and then we start الحد again. So الحد، الاثنين، الثلاث، الأربع، الخميس، الجمعة، السبت. So I hope that in this episode you learned the days of the week easily without effort. It's very easy, just revise them with me. Don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to Linguamid channel, and also don't forget to look at my website and my blog for interesting articles about Egyptian Arabic, about Muslim Arabic, about Egypt in general. You find all this information in the description box below. And as I always say, don't forget to enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course, my fundamental course for learning spoken Egyptian, completely free. You will find the link in the description box below and also in the first comment of this video. Also, in my online shop, I provide interesting ebooks at special discount. You can find also the link for the online shop in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in a future episode.